Today we'll be demonstrating how to create and edit locations and groups within HeyPros. As your business grows, it may become necessary for you to add additional locations and groups for your team to better be able to manage your work orders and assigning and dispatching jobs to your subcontractors. In order to create new locations and groups as well as edit them, we are going to want to click into Locations and Groups in the menu here on our left-hand side. From there, you're going to see this little plus symbol. You'll want to click this to create a new group or location. Once you click that, you have to assign a name to your group or location. Most commonly, people are going to use the name of a city, but you can absolutely use any kind of custom name or department within your organization. Optionally, you can assign a phone number and an address to that location or group, and then you also have the ability to upload an image. Once you've entered all the information necessary, you're going to click Submit. And you'll see that a new location or group has been added. If you wish to edit an existing group or location, it's as simple as clicking the three little dots on the right-hand side of your location or group, clicking Edit Location/Group, and then making updates to these fields as necessary. When you're finished, click Save, and that's about all there is to it.